How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you a 2013, this is an EbbTide 2500 Sun Cruiser SS. This is a deck boat, 25 feet long. We're out here on beautiful St. Clair shores. It's a nice morning. Sidewalk through, this is super unique for a deck boat. Huge front porch and front area for sitting. They have a bow filler seat for that bow. Let's get to the back. All of this sea foam right here is brand new as of last year. Put in. This is one of the best looking 2013 boats I've ever seen. Super clean inside and out. Massive area here in the cockpit. They put this removable table in aftermarket. Here's all your instrumentation. Stereo with USB connectivity. Depth finder. Let's go to the front here. This is a windshield that covers up the wind when you're going. If you want everybody to be in the back here, no wind, it's nice. Here's your head area. I'm 6 foot and I climbed in here and I got to duck a little bit, but it was pretty cozy when I sat down in there. Not pretty easy. Here's your center ski locker. It's actually at the bow and there's a ton of room. It actually goes back to about right here. So huge amount of space. Again, the sea foam, brand new. Anchor and everything right there. Easy. They got it hooked up to shore power, so they keep the dual battery system charging at all times. Keep the batteries fresh. Here's your engine. 350 Merc. Bravo The drive, dual props. There's your dual batteries. And under this seat is your battery switch. Here is your, 14 passengers. It's a nice day boat for sure. But here is your 2013 2500 SS Sun Cruiser from EbbTide. Thanks for watching.